Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to convert a hex color into a RGB color using JavaScript. Before I start this video, let's have a quick discussion about the hex color format. So there are generally two formats. The first is 6-digit format, and that will go like this. Okay. And there's a 3-digit format which will be like this. And this is actually behind the scenes FFAA. And when you want to convert this hex color into a RGB color, we'll split that into pairs like this and convert them into a decimal format. This is exactly what we are going to do. So let's get started. Let's create an index.html file here. Here we need a basic structure and a style sheet at the top. We need a script file at the bottom. That will be script.js. We need two input elements and a button element. First of all, we'll create one div. A label will be there. Let's make it hex. And the input element, it will be text. Let's give it hex. ID will also be hex. Now just copy and paste it and make it RGB. Same goes here. And we need one button. It will be convert. Now just save it. Create a style sheet here. Select the body element. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. Select the button element. Padding will be 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Select the label element. Font weight will be bold. Display will be inline block. And width will be around 40 pixels. Just save it. Open this file in the browser just to see the layout. Great. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Select both the input elements as well as the button element. So let's make it hex input. We'll select it by the ID. Just copy and paste it. Let's make it RGB input. Select the button. Let's make it PTN. Add event listener to this button. Event will be click. So upon click, we'll call a custom function that will be hex to RGB, and we'll pass the value of hex input element, and whatever it will return, that will be set as the value of the RGB input. Also, we'll change the background color of the body element. Let's set it equal to the RGB input value. Now let me copy and paste that function here. This function will take care of 3-digit format as well as the 6-digit format. Initially, we are taking care of 6-digit format here in this piece of code. Let me explain it to you how it is actually working. For example, the color is this F3 2A36. So here we are passing F3 to the parseInt method, and it will convert that number into a decimal format. Same goes here. It will be 2A for the conversion, and it will be 36. In case the color is this 2A6, then we are making it 22 and passing it to the parseInt method. here it will be AA, and here it will be 66. Then we are simply returning it here in the RGB format. Now just save it and go to the browser. Let's type a hex color here. Let's make it F32625. Click convert, and this is the output. Let's make it 3 digit. Let's make it 2F3. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.